Hey guys, here's a quick review of the Valtcan keyring holder carabiner. So it's a matte finish, stonewash finish, very thin and light, made entirely of titanium TC4. Here's the spring mechanism. It's one push and you have access to the top as well as the bottom ring. Quick demo with the keys. Then you can put it on the bottom, or you can slide it front on top. Side view. It's back. This spring will loosen up as time goes by. At first might be too tough for you to use one finger, but if you press this maybe 50 times, it'll be much better.